Question number 18 says 4 points A, B, C, and D lie on a circle having a circumference of 15 units. B is 2 units counterclockwise from A, C is 5 units clockwise from A, D is 7 units clockwise from A, and 8 units counterclockwise from A. What is the order of the points starting with A and going clockwise around the circle? So if you don't draw a picture on this one, you're going to have a pretty tough time, I think. But if you do draw a picture on this one, it should be a pretty straightforward, pretty easy problem to do, I think. Is that my circle tool? I believe so, yeah. So here's my circle. And I got to start somewhere. So I'm going to say I'm going to start with A being here. And then clockwise would be going in the direction the clock goes, this way. And then counterclockwise the other way. So clockwise, B is 2 units counterclockwise from A. So if we know the whole thing, the circumference is 15 units, halfway around would be 7.5 units. So 2, I'm going to estimate that to be right about there. This won't be perfectly drawn to scale, but I'll try to do the best I can. So C, 5 units clockwise from A. So this is 7.5 here. So this would be 2/3 of the way from there to there. So I'd say right about there would do that for me. So I'm going to just label here that was 2, and then on the inside that was 5 from A to C. And then D is 7 units clockwise from A and 8 units counterclockwise from A. That would make sense. One way plus the other way would have to equal the whole circumference. So that C stands for circumference here. I don't want you to get that confused with this point C right there. So circumference, CIR, I'll abbreviate that there. So we have, let's see that again, D is 7 units clockwise. So clockwise going this way, it's a little less than halfway. Halfway would be right about there. So we're calling this D. And if it's 7 that way, then we know this would be 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And then if it's 8 this way, we know this would be 6 from B to D. What is the order of the points, though? Starting with A and going clockwise around the circle. It looks like we don't have to know the distances from those points. We just have to put them in order. So going clockwise, A, then to C, to D, and then to B finally. So A, C, D, B is the one we're looking for. It looks like that is choice J for number 18.